Caesar here. I just took delivery of this incredible gold bar from the Royal Mint, and I'm already impressed by the packaging just by looking at this. This is the Islamic star and crescent, and then right around the edges here we have this, it's called a holiest design. This is the design of a geometric pattern that we see at the front of mosques and Islamic buildings. And the back is just a plain little back that says Royal Mint. And then the bar slides out like this, and it's just gorgeous to look at. This is a 20-gram gold bar, and it has the Kaaba on it. The Kaaba is the holiest site for Muslims. First the Kaaba in Mecca, then Medina, which is the second holiest city, and then Jerusalem, which is the third holiest city for Muslims. And on the gold bar, so you have right there is the little door to the Kaaba. And so history says that when the Prophet Muhammad took over Mecca, he cleansed the Kaaba of all the idols that were in there, and he left a little painting or piece of art of the Virgin Mary in there, just because Islam is part of the Abrahamic faiths. And on the outside of the Kaaba, there's the design of the black fabric covering that every year gets replaced. It's called the Kiswa. And at the top here and the bottom, we have these sort of domes that look like the domes of the entrance around the Kaaba complex. It's a really stunning design that the Royal Mint has done here. And on the reverse here, we have all the information of the bar. So it's the Royal Mint, 20 grams of 4/9 fine gold. And the packaging is great. So it's actually plastic. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's quite thick plastic. And so it's going to be a sturdy thing to store. And it has that same Muqarnas design that we saw on the outer sleeve. Cool thing is that the Royal Mint, during the month of Ramadan, they donated 2.5% of the profits of this bar to the Islamic Council, which I think is really cool that even though the government is trying to recognize global Islamic and religious organizations, they also have a series for Hindus. They're actually kind of putting their money where their mouth is and donating to worthy causes. So this is lovely. I think because it is valuable, it's 20 grams of gold. I purchased this for about 1,300 pounds. You'll have to take out a calculator and see what that is in dollars. It's not going to be living at home. It'll be taken to a jewelry vault in the city just because I don't want to have this lying around. But it's a great addition to our stack. All right. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.